Today I'm going to show you how to set a data limit on your Wi-Fi in Windows 11. This is especially helpful if you're using a metered connection and want to avoid going over your data cap. Here's how to do it. Click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu. Go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click Network and Internet. Then click on Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want to set a data limit for. Scroll down and click on Set a Data Limit to help control data usage on this network. In the top right, click Enter Limit. Choose your limit type. For example, you can pick monthly. Select when the data limit should reset. I'll keep it set to the first of the month. Now set your data limit. Let's say 100 gigabytes. Finally, click Save. And that's it. I've now set my Wi-Fi data limit to 100 gigabytes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.